Hello, everybody. This is Tariq Alwan, and this video to demo how to download and install the Extreme Variable Web Application. The shortcut is XVWA. Why we need the XVWA? We need to scan applications, not server, not services, but just an application. So we want to scan some sort of extreme vulnerable applications to find out that what type of issues they have, specifically with the API, mostly. So in terms of security and the API as well. To do so, yes, we can actually try to do that online, which I do not recommend any of you to do so. So to practice and make sure that you are in the level to do so on a real production environment, it's better if you use one of those VM machine. That's why we will download that the XVWA, and I do not recommend to put that online, which means that do not download that and install it directly on a machine. However, we usually use it within the VM, like Oracle VirtualBox or within the VMware or so on, any hypervisor. To do so, you can download it from different places. However, the one I usually go to or download from, go to the that website, the Vulnerable Hub, and from the Vulnerable Hub, just type Extreme, hit Enter. You will find those three machines. So that's the exploited web app. That's the XVWA. That's the one we want. So download this one. We have a version of ISO. I put you the link, the hyperlink directly over here. You can get it, by the way, from GitHub. You can find it in different locations. However, you can get it from here as well, from the downloads, Variable Hub, come XVWA and xvwa.iso. If you hit that link, it will start downloading right away. I did download that to save your time and my time as well. So I have downloaded that machine. Let's take you here. I have downloaded the ISO version here. That's as you can see that. And now I will use the VMware to create a new machine. From here, just go to the ISO. From the ISO, go to the XV, the ISO image. Choose Linux. Give it any name you like, for example, XVWA, and save it anywhere you like. It doesn't matter. If you want to keep it as it is, it's okay. 20. Usually I like to give extra to my machines to just make sure that it's faster, and finish. Let's start. And from here, install. Here it is, and it gives me an address of 192.168.58.146, and that's the one I actually want to. As you can see that it's easy, straightforward, there is no hassle, there is no headache, and you can install it here, VirtualBox, or any other suitable machine. I'm going to use this one to run the Zap in another video. I'm going to use that machine, this machine, the VM, the XVWA. I'm going to use this one to scan for web vulnerability. However, I will use what we call it Zap. Try to install this one if you want to practice for web application vulnerability, and I will see you in the next video with Zap. I hope that video was helpful. Thank you for watching.